You are watching JnC's Corner.
Hi guys, this is Claire, and today in this video I am going to show you how to clean and maintain your washing machine. So regardless of the washing machine you're using right now, the things that I'm going to show you are more or less the basics of the washing machine maintenance. So I would also suggest that you have to familiarize yourself of the operating system of your own washing machine. The one I'm using right now is the Samsung ECOBUBBLE, which is 8 kilogram. So if you have this kind of washing machine, you can more or less relate to me, but otherwise look into your manual where these things are located that I'm going to show you. So you might be asking this question: what are the parts that I need to maintain and how am I going to do it? Don't you worry, as we got it covered. Keeping your washing machine clean improves its performance, wards off unnecessary repairs, and lengthens its life. Before anything else, make sure you unplug the washing machine from the electrical outlet. So the first video that I'm going to show you is the draining of washing machine in an emergency. Just in case if there is a power outage, drain all remaining water before removing your laundry. First, you need to open the filter cover using a coin or key, or even the tip of the fork or spoon. Now, pick the emergency draining tube out and then prepare for a bowl. The remaining water may be more than you expected, so better to use a large bowl. Hold the emergency drain cap at the end of the emergency draining tube and slowly pull it out. Allow all water to flow into the bowl. Then reinsert the emergency drain cap in the drain tube. Put back the emergency draining tube to its original place and close the filter cover. Next is cleaning the debris filter. To do this, open the filter cover by using a coin, a key, or the tip of the fork or spoon. Next is remove the remaining water, which we have shown previously. If you separate the filter without draining the remaining water may trickle out from the washing machine. Unscrew the debris filter cap by turning it to the left. As you can see, over a period of time, debris accumulated and catch by the filter. Wash any dirt or other material from the debris filter. Make sure the drain pump propeller behind the debris filter is not blocked. We recommend cleaning the debris filter 5 or 6 times a year, or when the 5E error message is displayed. If foreign substances accumulate at the debris filter, the performance of the ECOBUBBLE function will be degraded. Once cleaned very well, replace the debris filter cap. Make sure to replace the debris filter after cleaning it. If the debris filter is not reinserted into the machine, your washing machine may malfunction or water may leak. Tighten the debris filter firmly after cleaning it. Failing to do so may result into a malfunction and water leak as well. Next, we are going to tackle the cleaning of the detergent drawer. Press the release lever on the inside of the detergent drawer and pull the detergent drawer out. Now remove the release lever in the liquid detergent guide from the detergent drawer. Wash all parts under running water and clean the detergent drawer recess with an old toothbrush. Also, don't forget the slot where the detergent drawer was taken out. Brush the area with soap and water, then rinse with water using the long neck bottle or watering can. Replace the softener compartment and the liquid detergent guide by pushing them firmly into the detergent drawer. Then, push the detergent drawer back into place. Now, let's talk about cleaning the exterior. Wipe the washing machine surfaces, including the control panel, with a soft cloth using a non-abrasive household detergent. Use a soft cloth to dry the surfaces. Just bear in mind that do not pour water onto the washing machine. Time to clean the interior. Using a toothbrush, clean the window and the rubber materials on the entrance of the washing machine. You may notice over a period of time, debris and molds also accumulated in this area. Try to stretch and open the fold of the rubber part, and you will see that there were hidden debris that needs to be tackled. To clean the drum, pour 1/2 cup of baking soda or sodium bicarbonate with 1 cup of vinegar into the drum. Notice that as the two ingredients mixes, you will hear a bubbling or sizzling sound. To remove any remaining detergent and debris, perform a rinse cycle without any laundry in the drum. Once the cycle has finished, or when the washing machine is not in use, open the door to allow air to circulate inside, thus leaving the washing machine dry and prevent molds from forming. So I hope guys you are pleased to learn this very simple yet very effective tips in maintaining your washing machine. So please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more daily tips by simply clicking that subscribe button and the notification bell. Till next time!